Hello friends, welcome to this video and this tutorial series of how to integrate Firebase DB in your Android application. And in this video, we will be seeing how you can delete the data from your Firebase DB using our Android application. So let's get started. So here I am in an Android Studio project which we are creating as a part of this tutorial series. Hope you are following this tutorial series and have the source code for all this all the previous videos, and if not, then please watch the previous videos, or if you want to skip, then you can directly take a source code from the Git repo below. So we'll move forward with this project. So in this project, so far we have implemented all three operations: create, insert, and create, read, and update. And in this video, we are seeing how to delete the data. So for that, in the created layout of this item layout, we want to create another button just like this edit one for the delete. So I already have an icon for the delete. This is a trash icon, which will, on clicking on this icon, we want to show an alert dialog to user if they want to confirm the delete, and if they press yes, then we want to proceed with the deletion. So that's thing we will be going to teach you in this video. So let me copy this image view and paste it here. Instead of this button edit, I'll write button delete. Okay, and the edit icon, I want this as a delete icon. So let me rearrange these in a better way, and to start off button delete. Okay, now they have been, now they are looking good. And now, so heading of this thing also we need to do it from the adapter itself. We already have the database reference here for the adapter. Now in the same on bind view holder method, we will be doing this task. So I'll just minimize this, and we can just write binding dot button delete dot. We'll just set an on click listener on this one, and we first want to show the alert dialog to the user. So we can just write alert dialog dot builder. This needs a context dot set title. Sorry, not set view, set title. We can just write delete user dot set message. You can just write, do you really want to delete this user? And we'll just show one positive button, set positive button as a yes, and this needs a listener dialog interface dot on click listener. So we need to implement this object colon dialog dialog interface dot on click listener. This needs a lambda, and we need to implement the function that is on click. We can skip this as well and just keep a lambda here. Okay, fine. And here, after clicking on yes, we need to perform a DB operation. We will also set a negative button. Set negative button, not icon, just a button at the cancel. And if we get a lambda here, we can just copy it from here, but we don't want to do anything if the user presses a negative button. They presses a cancel, and the dialog will be automatically dismissed. So we'll also take a reference of the database reference dot child. Again, we need a child reference. So we already have a user instance, so user dot id. So we'll reach to the specific user's node, and we want to delete that. So we can just call a remove value method on that, and we can just again add an on success and failure releases on that. We can just add a toast with the context user deleted successfully. Okay, and you can just copy this. We can add an on failure listener as well with the same toast message. Just change the text, failed to delete user. Okay, that's the thing we need to do. And after doing all this, we can just write dot show for the alert dialog. So let's try running our application and see how it works. Yes, my application is now running, and I'll try deleting this test2. Just click on this trash icon. It is asking, do you really want to delete this user? I'll say yes, and we get a message, user deleted successfully. And let's see this in a real time as we do in our other previous videos as well. Let us pop out this emulator, and I'll set a side by side view here. Okay, fine. So here I'll create a one record again, test2, and write test2 at example.com. So once I click add user, you will be able to see here new record has been created, and yes, it is created. Now I want to delete this, so I'll just click on this trash icon, really want to user. If I click cancel, nothing happens, and if I click on this trash icon and say yes, so this icon turns into red and it gets deleted. So this is how you can delete the user from your record with the help of our Android application. So if you have followed all the videos throughout this tutorial series, then I hope you have now clear understanding about how to perform CRUD operations using a Firebase database in our Android application. So if you still have some doubts, then you can put your questions in the comment box below. I will try my best to answer those. If you like this video, then please click on like, share with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel so that you will be notified whenever such a new video is published. We'll meet with some another interesting topic. Till then, goodbye, happy coding.